Bluey floated through the sparkling space fast, Bingo tumbled beside her laughing loud, and suddenly a massive asteroid passed close by. Muffin shouted, "Watch out, could something huge be coming?" Bandit grabbed Chilli's hand tight, Rusty pointed at a glowing space station ahead, Indy gasped, "It's pulsing with strange light, could alien magic be waiting?" From the shadows emerged a colossal space alien, huge, its skin shimmered blue and silver sharp. Socks barked, nervously pacing, Bluey whispered, "This is dangerous, could they survive?" The alien floated forward, shaking the space around. Bingo clutched her balloon high, Muffin hid behind Chilli, worried, could courage protect them? Bandit raised a sturdy space tool ready, Rusty grabbed a glowing crystal for backup, Indy shouted, "Stay together, could teamwork defeat it?" Bluey noticed glowing patterns along the alien's back, bright. She shouted, "Aim there now." Bingo hurled a sparkling comet fast, could it weaken the beast? The alien roared, sparks and debris flying everywhere, the space station trembled loud, Socks barked, dodging falling meteors, could they survive? Bluey leapt onto a floating asteroid, shouting, "Move forward." Rusty swung the crystal, blocking attacks. The alien paused, confused, could cleverness calm it? Suddenly the alien froze completely still, its eyes softened emerald warm. Chilli whispered, "It's working." Muffin tossed another glowing comet, could teamwork finish it? The patterns pulsed brighter then faded, the alien bowed its head, majestic, smoke and sparks cleared, revealing a glowing crystal inside. Bluey picked it up, careful, proud, could it hold magic? A hidden passage opened beneath the station, glowing. Bandit whispered, "This adventure is only starting." Bluey's eyes shone courageous, bright, could the next journey be wilder? The friends floated through together, brave, the space twisted into a sparkling cosmic realm, magical. Bingo laughed, amazed, Muffin twirled around, happy, could endless adventures await? Above them, rainbow stars circled wildly, sparks of magic scattered across the void. Rusty shouted, "Keep watching." Socks barked, joining the fun, could space guide them? Bluey raised the crystal high, shining, the light spread across the galaxy bright. Chilli smiled, proud, Bandit hugged everyone close, could this moment last forever? Suddenly, a portal opened, swirling, massive, glittering universes beckoned ahead. Bingo shouted, "Let's go." Muffin's eyes sparkled wide, could this be the ultimate adventure? Bluey turned to her friends with fire in her eyes, brave. She shouted, "We can face anything together." Everyone cheered, ready for the unknown. Could you float in with them? And if your heart raced like theirs, smash that like, tap subscribe, and soar into the next cosmic adventure with Bluey and friends.